First of all, I needed to understand myself, how to upskill.
Because there's the soft skill part, but then there's the technical part.
When you're looking for a mentor, don't think you have to look far.
If you empower yourself, if you find yourself, those opportunities will come.
BrACCE 2025 was amazing.
It was very nice hearing from well-established women in their careers. I learned a lot of things.
I learned that it's not too late to start.
Be courageous, put yourself out there, learn to network. That's always an important thing.
But amazing time so far here.
Well done, Kora. Well done, BrACCE. This was amazing.